Lawson, farming on the family farm. This block's 260 hectares of 700 hectare family unit. This block's hind breeding up under the ranges. I've been here since 2001. I came home from the South Island and been working here and on the other blocks in conjunction. This farm's got mainly sort of rolling country with steep gullies in it. This is one of the gullies that we've got. The deer running down these gullies are causing a lot of damage. Gonna be issues with pea runoff and stuff as far as Plan Change 6 goes, which is we're just working through at the moment. Hopefully we'll get it sorted and have an easy system to go around for the rest of the areas around the country. Stuff that we've just completed was completed a year and a half ago, and this has got the same issues as what we saw with the start one, with the running of the fence lines and down into the gullies that the damage the deer are doing. So we've fenced up this. We've been grazing it with low numbers of sheep and cattle just to keep control of weeds, and this will slowly hopefully it'll start to regenerate native bush, and eventually it'll end up like the last one that we'll see that's nicely covered in bush. So these gullies that were fenced off, a lot of it has been done with the help of the Hawke's Bay Regional Council. They've helped out with grants and funding to be able to do it. Now a lot of that is gone through the Plan Change 6. As soon as it becomes mandatory or law, the funding comes off it, and farmers have to fully fund it. Which we've done a lot here, but we've still got a long way to go. So to fence these gullies off, it's about $25 a metre to do it today, but we do need to do it to try and help out and mitigate some of the damage that we're doing, and we are seeing some benefits from it. As part of fencing off all these gullies, we've actually lost access to different parts of the farm. So here we've built a drop culvert dam with a lane across it. So the water drops down this culvert here, which is vertical, and it drops down to the bottom of the dam, flows underneath the dam wall, and comes across and comes out the other side. One of the main advantages for this coming out there, going under the wall, is all the energy from the water as it's falling is lost there, instead of having a big spillway that scours out and you've got to bulldoze tracks in to let the spillway and protects the wall of the dam. Now these culverts are 1.8 across, so they're pretty big culverts. They weigh 4.5 tonne each. There's 12 of them under here. They are overkill, but they are actually surplus, pulled out of town and been reused here. So this gully here that you can see in behind me is one of the original gullies that we first started, and this is what the final product will start to look like, and hopefully all the gullies in time will look a lot more like these.